Welcome to episode 14. Map, filter, and reduce the functional toolkit. These three functions cover most everyday data work in Clojure. Map transforms, filter selects, reduce folds. We'll try each one in the REPL, then build a pipeline. Let's start the REPL. Map applies a function to every item and returns a new sequence. The hash-paren shorthand lets you write quick one-off functions. Filter keeps only the items that match a predicate. Here we keep the numbers greater than 3. Reduce folds a collection down to a single value. You can also pass an initial value as the seed. Control-D exits. Now let's write mapfilterreduce.clj. 2 comment lines to label the file. Map section. Start with incrementing every number. Next, a named function square applied through map. And the hash-paren shorthand for tiny inline functions. Filter section. Even numbers from 0 through 9. A named predicate can be passed to filter, just like any function. Reduce section. Sum the numbers from 1 to 5. With a seed of 100, reduce starts from there instead of 0. Reduce with max walks the sequence and keeps the largest. Now a real pipeline, a list of orders. Each order has an id, a paid flag, and a total. Filter picks the paid orders. Map pulls out their totals. Reduce sums them. Three lines, three functions. That's the pipeline. Let's run the file. Map section incremented to 2 through 6, squared, then times 10. Filter, even numbers from the range, and then the values above 3. Reduce 15, 115 with the seed and 9 as the max. Pipeline, 3 paid orders, totals 40, 80, 15, revenue 135. Episode 14. Complete. Quick recap. Map applies a function to each item. Filter keeps only items that match a predicate. Reduce folds a collection to one value. Anonymous functions make inline lambdas easy. Phase 3 is underway. Next up, threading macros. Thanks for watching episode 14. You now have the Functional Toolkit: map, filter, and reduce. Next up, episode 15, threading macros for cleaner pipelines.